Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how we can connect a USB drive or a USB flash drive to a Linux Mint machine on a VMware Workstation. The first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to verify a setting while the machine is powered off. So we'll right click on the Linux Mint virtual machine and go to settings. And here we just need to make sure that you have a USB controller present. If not, we'll need to add it here. Okay, once we've verified that, we'll go ahead and power on the Linux Mint virtual machine. And I'll come back once it's powered on. So the virtual machine is done powering on. I'll go ahead and log into the virtual machine. Now the USB drive that I'm looking to connect to this virtual machine is currently connected to the host machine, which is a Windows machine. So if I open the File Explorer here, under this PC, we have this USB drive. If I click on it, you see there is a folder under File, Text File. This is what I'm going to connect to the Linux Mint virtual machine. Now we can check, there's a few ways we can check if we have a USB drive currently connected. We can run a command here. It's going to be ls blk for list block devices. And right now we only have this SDA, which is my main disk device, and then SR0, which is the CD-ROM. Now let's go ahead and connect the USB drive. We'll click on VM right here, and then we'll need to go to removable devices. Your USB drive should be listed here. Now this is the one I'm going to connect to. It says disk 2.0. That's the name of it. And to connect, I have to click on connect here, which will disconnect it from the host, which is the Windows PC. So this is going to unplug it from the host and connect it to the virtual machine. So I'll click on OK. And it's just telling us that the USB drive has been connected to the virtual machine. I'll click OK here. And as you can see, it just popped up. And if I close this window and minimize this, we now have an icon on the desktop for the USB drive. And click on it, and here you see we have the test folder and the test file, which are inside that USB flash drive. And if I go back to the terminal here and rerun that command, I should have a new block device, SDB, right here, representing the USB drive. And we can CD to it as well. We can just do CD. So this is where it's mounted. Let's CD to that directory. And then ls, and we have the text file and the folder. So that's how you connect the USB drive. If you wanted to disconnect it, all you need to do is click on VM here under the menu, and then go to removable devices. And right now it's got a check mark because it's connected. You have an option now to disconnect, so click disconnect. And as you can see, that icon has disappeared from the desktop. And here, if ls, there's nothing. If I go to the parent folder, that is not there anymore. Let's run the ls blk for list block devices, and it's no longer there. That disk device SDB is no longer there. So that's all for this video. That's how you connect a USB drive or a USB flash drive to a Linux Mint virtual machine that's running on VMware Workstation. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.